Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. If this is your first time visiting my Etsy channel and you are an Etsy seller or maybe thinking of joining to become an Etsy seller, this is the channel for you. I upload weekly videos to help Etsy sellers build a thriving business. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk about introducing Etsy's community and how I highly recommend investing in teams and joining the forums because they're going to help you flourish and learn a lot in 2019. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to take you to the actual page so you could kind of have an idea of how it looks. So all you have to do is once you're logged in your Etsy shop, if you go all the way in the bottom of your screen and you click on where it says Help Center, actually, if you click on Teams, that's going to take you actually directly. So it's going to be better. So this is what I'm talking about. It's going to say, welcome to the Etsy community. And this is something new that Etsy has invested a lot of time and energy on. And it's really, really cool if you are looking for ways to grow, to learn more, and talk to actual other people that have experience and make connections and network, and even talk to people that work in the Etsy field or our employees from Etsy. This is the place to be. It's basically a community where you could either join a team and then you could collaborate and work with other Etsy sellers. You could browse the forums, and the forums is basically you could seek advice. You could read anything, any new updates on it about Etsy. You could also start a discussion. So if you have, let's say you're looking for something specific and you can't find it in the forum that someone else already opened a ticket on, you can actually start a discussion on whatever you need help with. So if there's something specifically that you need help with right away and you can't seem to find the answer, then you will go to start a discussion. And then they also have the community policies. So they'll tell you what is allowed, what's not allowed, and all the policies, the seller handbook, etc. But it's really, really nice. Right now, there's 825,000 teams. Um, Teams and forums discussions. There's 11,000 teams made already, and 7.2 million sellers have subscribed, right? Um, and it's really, really nice. It has, these are the teams here. You have updates that Etsy currently make. And then you also have down here by category. You can look at announcements, creative process, how to set up a shop, photography tips. And then let's say you click on photography tips. Once you go in there, you're able to see like random questions that people put. How to take better pictures, how to stage the photography, how can I share photos in my listings to promote. So this is a question that this person asked. And you could see all the stuff, what lies easier to work with. And then once you click on that particular question that the person wrote, other people, it's almost like my Facebook group that you put a question and then people help you and they answer. This is technically what it is. It's just on a larger scale because there's so many people subscribe. So it's really nice. I think that Etsy does a really good job of trying to help Etsy sellers in the sense of providing a lot of resources and it's really important to do that because as a business, the more they give to us as Etsy sellers, the more they grow as well. And then the more educated we get and the more we learn and hopefully the more sales we make as well. You could, talk about technical issues that you may have, shipping questions, branding, pricing. I mean, it's just so many things that you could do. They have the Etsy journal. They have sell on Etsy if you want to, open and become a creative seller. They have the Etsy Help Center, and then on the top, they also have like little sections here for different things, which is the same thing down here, just categorized on the top. The handbook, and then coming soon, known issues. So if you are trying to add a listing one day and you're like, I can't add the listing, and you rebooted the computer, you refreshed and you still can't do it, you could come here and it will tell you if it's a known issue. So obviously, if it's a known issue, then you would just have to give it maybe within hours to 24 hours for it to be fixed by Etsy. But it's a really, really nice thing. I highly recommend that you signed up for it. Once you sign up for it too, you get like this little setting here. I haven't answered or done anything yet. I'm gonna start doing it. But basically you get like a little setup here that shows like how many posts you done, how many likes you have received. So it's kind of nice. Um, it's just a way to kind of keep track of what you have done in the community. And then other people, when you respond to a comment or you respond to like a they say like a question, or you help somebody out, they're able to look at those numbers and see the credibility that you have in the Etsy community. So I just wanted to give you an introduction to Etsy's community. I'm gonna leave the link to get here below this video. If you click, you'll find the link for the Etsy community, and then you will also find a list of different resources for Etsy sellers that you could take advantage of. But make sure that you join today. Make sure that you take the time to kind of go in there, kind of look around, and kind of see if this is something that you might take advantage of to use. And keep in mind also, you could create your own team. So that's another nice feature about it. So if you are in a specific niche and you know other people that are in that specific niche, you guys could kind of come together, create a team, and collaborate with each other as well. So it's just really, really nice. I hope that you guys take advantage of this. If you already doing this, or if you have a team right now, make sure you leave the team in the comment below. Tell the name, the link to the team, so other people could join your team as well. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And let me know how you feel about this new change that Etsy is introducing. Let me know if you already have used the Etsy community, what you think about it, and if you plan to use it or continue to use it. So, thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, have a wonderful day.